Rajput lives with his wife Rani, a schoolteacher, and their two children Rishabh and Nayra. Every morning before dawn, Rajput drops the kids at school, then spends a few minutes cleaning and preparing his auto for the day. But this is no ordinary auto. It's a moving space of care and respect.
Step inside, and you'll find a small dustbin neatly placed, floor mats keeping the vehicle spotless, a fire extinguisher for safety, cushioned seats, newspapers for passengers, medical kit, and even a tank of RO drinking water.